I don't want to record this video not because I don't know what to say, but because saying it loud, make it real. I am inconsistent with my work, with my content, with my future, maybe. And if you're watching this, there is a chance you are also in the same place. This video is not about motivation, it's documentation. The real situation right now, my work is not stable. Someday I'm very productive, someday I'm lost. I have ideas, I have skills, I have potential. Financial pressure is real. When the money is tight, your mind is loud. Every faisla, every decision feels heavy. Every day feels like you are falling behind, and the worst part, you know you can do better, but you are not doing it. The hard truth about life, it's not about laziness, it's about fear of failing publicly, fear of being seen trying, fear that even after efforts nothing will change. So we delay, we plan, we overthink, and we call it wait for the right time. सही टाइम कभी नहीं आता. The right time never comes. You know. You know why 2026 is scares me. मुझे 2026 से इसलिए थोड़ा सा वो लग रहा है कि वो बहुत क्लोज है, क्लोजर देन वी थिंक. 6 दिनों में 2026 आ रहा है. एंड what scares me, it's not failure. What scares me is reaching 2026 with the same habit, the same excuse, the same I will start tomorrow mindset. कि मैं कल शुरू करूंगा ये वाले माइंडसेट के साथ. आई डोंट वांट टू एंटर इन 2026. I don't want to look back and realize I wasted my hardest year being comfortable with struggle. This video is not me asking for sympathy. It's me taking responsibility. From now on, I document even when it's uncomfortable. I show up even when views are low. I work even when results are not visible. Not because it's easy, बट बिकॉज द कॉस्ट ऑफ स्टेइंग द सेम इज़ हायर. वो उससे भी बड़ा नुकसान है कि आप सेम चीज़ पे ही टिके रहें, कुछ भी करें लेकिन रोज़ करें. सो इफ़ यू आर ऑल्सो इनकन्सिस्टेंट, यू आर ऑल्सो फिगरिंग लाइफ आउट, यू आर ऑल्सो फील बिहाइंड, तो आप रुके रहें वहीं, स्टे. अगर आपको नहीं कुछ करना है, आई एम नॉट हेयर टू टीच फ्रॉम द टॉप, आई एम building from the ground, and maybe we will make it together before 2026.